All right, here on my local ponds, throwing this lure called the Hammertrap. This apparently is I think it's a Bill dance, the legendary Bill dance I used to watch when I was a kid on Saturdays. Hammertrap, and I've seen guys on YouTube kill it. This is my first time ever throwing one. I just got it, so let's see if I can catch a fish on it. Good, no first cast jinx. For those of you that don't know, fishermen think that if they catch a fish on the first cast, the rest of the day gonna be junk. I don't think that, but fishermen do sometimes. Oh! Something hit that thing, what? Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Get up in here, bruh. On the Hammertrap. Let's go, Hammertrap. I'm gonna let you go, bro. Don't get that in the fool, man. Oh, man, you got both lips in there. I didn't bring my pliers. I mean, both hooks. Oh, there you go. That's cool. Wow. Nice fish. Let's go. What, second cast on the Hammertrap? Let's go. What, the second or the third cast? So I didn't get the first cast, jinx. Yes, I'm actually on the golf course, so gotta look out for these golfers. Man, what is that? Is that a fish? There's some noise over there in them bushes, boy. Guess that's it for this video. All right.